Hello, my name is Nick Boulis, and I'm a neurosurgeon here at Emory Healthcare. I became obsessed with the function of the nervous system as the organ that creates human experience, and I began to study it. I decided to pursue science in the treatment of the nervous system through the use of neurosurgery. I like the intensity, the tangible nature of the complicated problems, and our ability to alleviate pain, suffering, and actually fix the problems, which brings tremendous joy. My clinical work focuses in three areas: surgery for pain that isn't responding to medications, movement disorders like Parkinson's disease and tremor, and surgery of the peripheral nerves. Surgery for pain requires a deep understanding of the circuitry that underlies human experience. We can help pain by interrupting those circuits, either by cutting them or implanting small electrical stimulators that are like pacemakers for the nervous system, targeting nerves in the spinal cord. We can also use this approach to treat movement disorders by implanting deep brain stimulators. My work to repair the peripheral nerves also utilizes implanted electrodes, as well as nerve grafting and nerve transfers. I love the fact that this work actually repairs the connections that allow us to feel and control our bodies. I think Emory is set apart from other institutions because of the team we have. We care a lot, and it's an honor and privilege to be a part of that team. We get the most challenging cases, and we have the expertise and innovation to push us forward. Because of this unique environment, we are able to develop cutting-edge solutions to our patients' suffering, combining the laboratories of Georgia Tech and Emory with our hospital. We continue to try to find a cure for things while also treating them. On top of all that, we get to teach the next generation of neurosurgeons to continue healing for many in the future. It's such a rewarding place to be while providing our patients with hope. When I'm not at work, I enjoy listening to music, traveling, and of course, spending time with my family. In closing, I look forward to meeting you and starting our healthcare journey together at Emory.